What up? What up? Yo, Dell. What's going on? Oh, dude. Just got you? Yo, what up, Sean? Trying to smash and pass right now. See what happens. Oh. What up, CT? Wait. What the fuck? Why did that buy it back? What? Hold on. What the fuck was that? Yo, waiting for the retest of the orb. There was bad news prior to the market. What up, Nasdaq? Yeah, there was some pre-market bad news. I think it was like JP Morgan or somebody like that put out a report on AI. So that did not help things. I think it was JP Morgan. Let me see. I got an alert on it. Of course, I don't see it. It was something about AI. Negative AI news. What up, David? Walter the Goat's in here. What up? This is looking very bull flaggy. I'm out. Dude, I wish I got a coffee this morning. This is looking pretty good. If it can get over the 34. Yeah, you want to see the news? JP Morgan AI news. Yeah, I'm having trouble finding it. Huh. What up, Ali? This was a moneymaker right here. You could see we bounce and it just looking like a roll. I'm going to half port the 350 boner. Oh, geez, Dell. That's supposed to be like this. That's like icing on the cake. You don't want that to be like your saving grace every day because sometimes it's not going to work. I might full port this eval. Dude, that's funny, man. Whatever. Smash or pass, baby. Do not follow this. This isn't some setup. This is literally, if I could pass in one trade, I'll take it. I just don't see the bull strength. No, Noel. There was bad news out this morning on AI, and that's what's causing this. Let me see if I can find it for you. I'll look. It is who said it? Somebody said it. Oh, here it is. It was Goldman Sachs. You ready? Goldman Sachs cuts 2025 to 2026 AI server shipment forecast by 35%. Goldman Sachs has lowered its AI server rack shipments projections to 19,000 units in 2025 and 57,000 in 2026, down from the previous estimates of 31 and 66K. The revision comes amid weaker than expected demand and ongoing production bottlenecks. That's the news. Blame it on Goldman. Blame it on Goldman, baby. But yeah, so that's the deal. That's why AI is taking a hit and dragging down the market. I'm just going to be honest with you, though. Like, we kind of saw this coming already. Right? I mean, we all kind of saw this. We go to the daily. I mean, we talked about trading back up in here, right? When we were down here, I said we're going to trade back up into here and then we're going to reject, right? It's kind of what we're doing. We traded back up in here and now we're starting to reject. It's literally going just as we planned. I mean, this looks perfect. What would be awesome is if we come down to like 1985, fill this gap, and then blow it through. But yeah, I mean, by the way, I took this long. Actually, if I go back, I'm going to show you so you don't just catch the bottom, like, so you're not just trying to buy the bottom, right? I'm going to show you how I stay out of just buying. This is how I stay out of just buying random bottoms. See how we flip right here? All right. You got a fair value gap. I'm waiting to invert a fair value gap. And that's what I'm waiting for. And then I took it right here. And I took that long as a. All right, back to trading. I just wanted to show you guys how I stayed out of trying to catch a knife today. Like why I wasn't just trying to buy the bottom, buy the bottom, buy the bottom, buy the bottom. I was waiting to see a real bottom formed. And then I took it. Are they going to let this shit go or what? Let it go. All right, I might take that. I might take this right here. The only reason I took it, I mean, obviously it was good, but we are definitely getting oversold on the one. And I was afraid something like this would happen. Look, see, it went all the way down and now they're buying it all the way back up. That's why I took that off with some gains. If stochastics were up here and we dropped on this candle, I would say that we had a little bit more to go. And I'm just playing the probabilities. Like we can continue going lower without a doubt. I just am not looking to hold it and have it come bounce all the way back. See, like this, if you still like the short, you would get in like right here. You hold into the bottom? Hold. Hey, Walter, I'll grab one with you. Don't get me stopped out, Walter. Yo, true. I cooked myself this morning. What? Oh, just trying to buy the bottom, Dell? Were you just trying to get the bottom? Over and over and over again? Oh, why? Oh, Bob, you're holding. I thought it was Walter. Yeah, Dell. How many times did you try buying the bottom? A bunch. TP is at the bottom. As long as it stays below the 9, I mean, I would say you're probably just going to follow it down. You sold the bottom. Hey, man, somebody's got to be that guy. Somebody's always that guy. Oh, they're going to come with the big push? It looks like they're going to come with the big push, like one big swoop push down to like 50. I'm taking my money. Taking my money. She's a gold digger. Oh, man. Push it for him. Dude, I need $600 in this eval. I'm just thinking if I can get another payout today. Where is that account I can get another payout? There. So I did some math. I actually need $900 to get a freaking payout. So I don't know if I'm going to do it today. See, that's why I kind of sold out. Just oversold. You know, we were oversold. It just kind of was not great in my opinion. Could we still go down 100%? You know, I don't like that we're above the 9. That's usually how I trend things. You know, right here, I want to stay in it. Oh, baby. This is 34. We get a rejection. Roll it back over, maybe. You close over this, I would say we're going higher. Yeah. What up, Chad? Yo, Jay Styles, plenty of time to turn that around. I talked about that in my video yesterday, man. Like, just because you start red, A, doesn't mean you can't turn it around, and B, doesn't mean you can just stop in those accounts if you blew them and hammer some other ones and be green in them. Like, you could definitely turn things around. It's just you can't just sulk in it. Like, you got to just say, hey, I'm red. Okay, cool. Like, it happens. You know, let's just make the next trade. Let's make the next trade. And that's where I would focus on. You know, it's worrying about the red is going to make you not trade as well. Man, this thing's going to go for it. We go over I'd probably say we get back over 300, but you know, the high right here, we go back over that, you're probably going to rip. Just watch out if you're still short, that's what I'd be watching out for. Like what's going on? Yeah. But oh, baby. Dude, I need a coffee that's like this big. I need a BAC, a big ass coffee. Oh, geez. Way over time. That digs on me. I gotta set this shiznick. What's today, anyways? Today's Wednesday? Today's Wednesday or Tuesday? Today's Wednesday? How you guys doing today? We red, we green. What are we up to? What are we doing today? Yo, what up, Garen? What up, Alyssa? Good morning, good morning. It's Bull Knox payout day. Yeah, buddy. Get the money. Hey, as long as you made some money, that's all it's about, right? That's all it's about at the end of the day. You know, just get the money. Keeping that payout alive. Yeah. Yeah. Pretty much. That dick's on me. Man, this is kind of interesting. This is kind of interesting. We come back down, and then I know this is going to sound crazy, but I called it the other day that we were going to go red, or I said we were going to go green, and then the other day I said I wouldn't be surprised if we go green. Going green would not surprise me one bit. Not that I'm sitting here buying and holding for it, but I'm just saying. Wouldn't surprise me one bit. Oh, what up, Pascal? Cats, what up? Seeing who's in here. Just rip it. At least you're getting movement today. Dude, yesterday and the day before was brutal. So at least you're getting a little movement. I am most likely done with my Bullnox accounts. That I could tell you. They bring this back up. A little fair value gap there. I'm just looking on the higher time frames. See, we flipped right here. So I would say as long as we hold 282, I would be bullish. Hourly pivot point held. What did I say? 282? See what happens. There you go, boys. No, 450. I grabbed it in my other one over here. I need what do I need now? I am $270 away from passing this other crap. Hold! Hold! What up, PG? Hold! That's not good. So I got out at the top. Got to hold 80, 82. It doesn't. I would assume you're going to target lower. Yo, PG, take it to a payout, man. I love to hear when people win those accounts and then they get a payout from them. What up, Lord? Kron's in here. What up? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. I'm actually trying to just get drawdown because my drawdown was light for a 250. My drawdown's only 2,100. So I'm just trying to get some wins under my belt here. And then once I get it up to maybe like 3,000, 4,000, I can then start taking bigger shots where I can take, 3 or 4 minis and hold. I need $140 in this account. What up, Elvin? Vivo's in here. Walter. Kyle Carter. How you guys all doing today? You guys up, down? Watching it go right? You feel it to the downside? This is like phoning a friend. I got to ask the audience. Did I do it? Did I do it or not? Oh, shit. By the way, don't get an account here. But I just got freaking. Fidias makes you go $4,000 over. But I didn't know that until I already had the accounts. So I would not get an account with them again. It just so happens I had it. But I just basically been playing. Everything you see happens on the right, happens on the left. Cool. Dude, I'm not a Legends. How long has Legends been around for? Let's start from the beginning. Who do you know that uses Legends start from last week or a week before? Like, who's using this? I know not one person that's gotten a payout from Legends. So I would not use Legends. Yeah, because he's getting paid. He's not telling you to do it because he's using it and, he thinks it's a good company. He's probably getting paid from them. So I just go with people that I know that are getting payouts from that I know if I make money, I'm going to get paid. What up, Ray? That's who I stick with. I stick with the majors because I know Top Step, Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures, Tradeify, Apex. Like, I know these people have money to pay me. I know nothing about some random whatever. Like, I'm just not into it. Listen, they might be great. I'm just being honest with you. There's no reason to do it. Like people think switching a prop firm is not going to make you profitable, right? We all agree on that. New prop firm, still going to make the same amount of money, right? So why do you go to a new prop firm? Better rules, probably. If they got better rules, some type of special rules. You know, why else do you switch? Chad's in here. You know, there's just better prices, correct? You know, part of that though has to be do I think they're going to pay me? You know, it's one of those things. Yeah, this is a bull flag, Dal. Yeah, we break this bull flag to the upside. We can get some nice movement here. Yo, what up, Coach? This is how the normal days are, bro. It's just the first day on the stream you came on was a shit day. But normal days look like this. What up, Primo? Yeah, I mean, if you maxed out all your accounts at every firm, then go for it. I've never traded options on Quant Tower. I don't even know if they have the ability. I trade options in E-Trade. I don't even know if they have it. Like, you'd have to contact them and see what's up. Yeah, we also have a better market today as well. I told them, I was like, market don't go sideways because we need cash now. And they listened. Finally. Oh, fuck. Oh, I have my copy trader up. Fuck me. Oh, shit bags. I have my fucking copy trader up. Did that just happen? Bro, I got to turn this thing off. Please, baby Jesus, pump this. Oh, my God. Oh, dude. Are you fucking kidding me? Bro, that just threw off the whole vibe of the trade, by the way. That threw off the whole vibe of the trade. I ruined the vibe with that. No, it was in funded accounts. It was in a bunch of funded accounts. Honestly, let me just fucking reset here. Let me just reset for a second. Yo, if we go also, I mean, obviously I'm still in it, but Dude, when it started lighting up all those accounts, that was no bueno. Oh, I'll tell you how many accounts it was copy trading at a time. Oh, I actually shut it off. Dude, I would have just gotten smoked. Hold on. Oh, it doesn't have, ever since I shut it off, it doesn't have it anymore. Yo. Would have messed my whole day up. See, it's shit like that, doing stupid mistakes that can just mess your whole day up. That was wild. Yo, caught me completely off guard. Was this the fake out and it's going to push up to 331? What up, James? Nope, just going to die off. Did I see your post about day traders? Where'd you post it? Did you put it in the Discord? Yo, I'll tell you. And yo, where'd you post it? By the way, Happy Gilmore saved me money today. Of all people, Happy Gilmore saved me, dude, a bunch of money today. I was watching the Happy Gilmore trailer, and I didn't set up my copy trader correctly, and the opening range trade didn't hit. And hold on. Yo, Corey, what up? Corey's in here. Yo, Kevin's in here. Sean. Yo, that is like trading minis instead of micros. Yo, Hollow Point. What up? What up? I keep getting tapped. You're still in a trade in one. Yeah. Enchanted's in here. Yo, I don't see that you posted anything. Dude, I just scrolled all the way up. Racer, I don't see anything in here. Yeah, I don't see. Oh, no. Nope. I'm looking again. Dude, you have to repost it. I don't see anything about anything. Yeah, I can't find it. It's in there in this chat. I think you see it, but I think YouTube blocked it. How's that sound? Yeah, I'm looking in this chat. I think YouTube blocked whatever you put in. I don't see anything by you. I'm scrolling up. Yeah, I don't see. Tuh. Dude, they couldn't come up with a better name than Funded Futures Network. That's another one. These guys are just popping up like. Yeah, they're also getting sued by Apex. And if they lose, do you think they have enough money to pay you? I don't know. Yo, imagine if they lose or they run out of money because they're suing Apex and they run out and then they can't pay you. I'm good on that. You know, those are things that I look at. I don't just look at to see who's the cheapest. I look at, you know, I'm looking at things like that. Dude, my time, like, to be honest with you, like my time to build accounts up and trade and the stress, I don't want to stress out about getting paid from some, you know, fourth tier prop firm. You know, I want to know that my hard work is going to pay me out. Yeah, exactly, Sean. Like, they're trying to sue Apex. If they're unsuccessful, they would have spent a lot of money in suing. Do they got money to pay? I don't know. You know, I mostly stick to, you know, the guys who I feel like are going to pay me if I have a nice payout. Are we finally breaking out of this thing? Chi Peterson. Am I Justin Trader? Nah, fuck that guy. Actually, I don't even know who he is. Yeah, day traders are suing Apex, but there's costs involved. They're paying a lawyer fee. They're paying a lawyer fees. They're paying, like, there's expenses when suing people. It's not like a free thing. And then if they lose, do you think Apex is going to sue them back? Yo, all good, man. Yo, all good. I heard. I'll just all good, man. We're just joking around, hanging out, having some fun. Yeah, no, I'm with you. I just don't listen. If you want to risk it, you can. Like, I don't know how much you're saving, but if you're getting payouts, it's not worth it. The little extra bucks to worry about. Cole, I think that's a woman, not a man. I almost said that Justin's giving reach arounds 3 channels over, but I didn't. You know, I was trying to keep it freaking PG over in here, but glad I didn't say that. Yeah, so you have the countersuit, like, yeah. But, you know, these are things that you got to think about. You're putting your hard-earned cash on the line, and these are things you got to think about, you know? These are things that I think about. What's PG? Exactly. Dude, is this thing going to finally go? Why would you even get yourself involved in that? What is the upside? What's the upside? Views and subscribers? What's the downside? You get fucking sued by Apex, and now I got to go do a deposition, and I got to go to court, and I got to hire a lawyer. I'm good. I'm good. You guys just stay in your lane, make money trading, take the money out, enjoy your life, hang out with your family, hang out with your friends, and that's it. Don't be, I want none of that negativity. I don't want any of that Apex smoke. I can tell you that right now, because there is no upside. It's not worth it for some viewers and subscribers. I saw there was like a GoFundMe or something, but I saw a video. She made $31,000 in a month promoting Fast Track. So I don't know. Yo, like, why? I just don't understand the end game there. Exactly, nutsack. You're here to trade and make money. Let's just focus on making money. Ooh, I told Apex this. Like, who gives a shit? Like, whether it's her, it's anybody. Like, there's no end game to it. Like, there's nothing positive that can come about. Not like Apex is going to reach out and be like, oh, please stop saying that. Here's $1 million for you. You're just going to keep. The only thing it can only hurt you. The least amount of rules and priced low for evals. You're on Top Step. If your pass rate is high, I would switch to like Take Profit Trader, I guess. I'm trying to think of like somebody that has no rules. Like no rules is like Take Profit Trader. Like Bullnox is pretty good, but their activation fee is $150. I just got cooked on that flush. Hold on. Man, I lost so much with someone called the General. What platform are you using? I use Apex, Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures. Not to be that girl. Oh, it's Shay. Yo, I was wrong. Shay Peterson, welcome to the stream. Yeah, I was the General. Bro, if you call yourself the General, that's so weird that support's dead over there. Slippage, was it Top Slip X? Yeah. I think if you use Tradeovate, it's not bad. I just love the way the look of Top Step looks. I end up closing it out for the day, but this thing's shit in the bed right here. Look, this is the trend right here. The fuck, man? I had this pulled and it just didn't follow. There. You want to see a retest of the trend is what you want to see is us bounce back, trade a couple candles up here, and then roll. That would be the ultimate setup. Bounce back, trade back up, and then you get a roll. Who's Coach? I don't know if you're going to get it, but that would be, to me, I like the retests. Hollow Point. So Take Profit Trader has no rules. Bullnox has very little rules, but the activation fee is expensive. My Funded Futures has a couple rules, but there's no activation fee there. I feel like it's all within a couple bucks. Obviously, Top Step is more expensive. What I do is I take my pass rate and activation fee, and you do cost of funding. And whatever your cost of funding is, that's how you should look at it. Like, if you're passing 1 and 2 accounts, you could have a funded account in Take Profit Trader for like $220. Thank you, Sunshine. Days long ago, like 5 years. I'm interested now, so it's time to get back in the game. Well, hang out. I feel like we're a good group of people. Yeah. We also stream later on, Shay. I usually jump off for lunch, and we're back at like 2 o'clock as well. I'm gonna look at this freaking form I made, Hollow. This might be it. We retest up here. I'll probably short it. So I try to put everything on here, but you could see the activation fees are freaking super expensive for see, like, I wouldn't do straight to funded. Straight to fund is expensive for me personally. If Apex went to $85, I know there's rules, but $85 and 33 is freaking cheap. I need to add more on here. I need to add more firms with costs. See, if you scroll down, the Bullnox activation fee gets freaking crazy. It goes as high as $900. It's wild. ES is weaker here. Damn. Yo, Bob, are you still holding this short? Yo, you just got the that's on the 15 though, so your stop loss has got to be 323. Yeah, Bullnox is ridiculous. Dude, it's crazy. I don't know who's paying those activation fees. Who's paying $900 for 250K? I don't get it. I would say Apex is because you're going to save money. You're gonna, instead of paying $49, you're going to pay 33, and then so you're going to save $15 per account, and you're going to save $25 per activation fee. So you're going to save about $40 per funded account. If you look at it on a per funded basis, you'll be $40 cheaper on Apex. I mean, listen, at the end of the day, you trade, you make money and get payouts. I use Bullnox and only buy evals or activations with payouts slowly building to the 10. Yeah, they're all about the same within $100. I use Bullnox and only buy evals. Yo, Motorsports, who do you so you use Bullnox? I guess you use 50Ks? Yeah, rules differ a little bit. Like the consistency rule, like if you're in Take Profit Trader or Top Step, you could just slam it. Like you could just slam it and pray it goes your way and take a massive payout. If it goes the other way, it goes the other way. But, Yeah, I like Bullnox. It's like it's like a company that no one really talks about. They pay. I got a payout from them recently. They paid super easy. Now they got Project X. I use Bullnox to trade on. I use them through NinjaTrader. Oh, Shay, MetaTrader is stock and options, I believe. I've never used it, and I come from the stock and options world, and I think people were using that. I never used the platform though. Yeah, when I took my money, I took $1,155 recently, and it basically covered a lot from anything I got from them. MetaTrader is definitely still a thing, I believe. I personally don't know anybody that uses it. Yeah, you got to wait till it's 90% off for Bullnox. Let me see. I'll look right now. Yeah, see, Bullnox is only 83% off. So I would not do Bullnox until they have 90 or 91. Yeah, Del, you chill out. Yeah, MetaTrader was definitely stocks. Yeah, Forex, stocks, and futures. I only knew people that used it for stocks. What up, Carl? Yeah. Basically, so Shay, basically you get an Apex account and then you do the Tradeovate one. Tradeovate, and this is the screen you're gonna get. You're gonna get a login, and then you could hook up, your indicators or whatever, and your accounts will be here. I make more decisions based off of this, which is TradingView, and then execute over here. But yeah, so once you get in at that 90% level, you just let them rebill. Because they're only, like 15, 16 bucks each. Yeah, Shay. Like, listen, I want to tell people, I want you to learn. I'm not looking for people to follow me trading, but I'm looking for them to get the gist and look at what I look at and maybe add their own twist and create their own way, because nobody's the same. Like how I trade, you may not like it. I know people that like to hold for longer gains. I know people that look for certain things, and like, hey, I don't trade that way. So like, I give you my input, what I see, and then I always tell people that they should also do their own research and figure out how they like to see things. That's the best way to go about it. This looks weak. Let's see if we do hit the bottom. I like playing the bottom. I like playing orbs, which haven't really came into play. Dude, this could be so technically you can't have a head and shoulders because it's at the bottom. But this thing looks sloppy. I try to just help people. That more than anything. Yo, if Trump tweeted out more tariffs right now, I would not be mad. Just saying. Like right this second, more tariffs. Did you get those little fingers going? So far, the bread and butter trades in here are orb, hourly sweeps, and MOC. They all pay. Yep. I mean, the hourly sweep for this hour, we're not getting, probably not getting it. And I won't play after the first 20 minutes. So I probably wouldn't see one until 12 hour. Dude, that, yeah. I was just up to something and I wanted to hit the button. Come on. Ow. All right. Now this trade is for free. We got ourselves a free trade here. I'm just going to ride this thing lower. Come on. Keep pushing, baby. Sir, with all due respect, I just want to come home with the win. What I see right now, so far, so good. Yeah, we try to make money every day. We have some fun. Preserve capital, not do anything stupid. See, the ES made a new low here. NQ did not. That's because NQ went further down. Oh, no. Of the 15-minute, what is that, 553? Yeah, hey, Shay, if you have any questions, come hang out. You know, subscribe so you get notified and come hang out anytime. That's what this is about. Everyone's got their own thing going on, and when you're ready, and swing by, say what's up. Oh, I didn't tell you that. I didn't tell you that. Oh, I did tell you the Happy Gilmore story. I'm losing it. Someone poke it with a stick. Come on, do something. Like the meme. You want to see it reject right here if you're short, right at the 9. Reject and then just follow down. Oh, man. I hope I got some good food for lunch. Yo, what up, Waldo? What up, man? I hate that this. Dude, that was just a fuck. Did that just happen to me? Oh, that's why you keep the stop loss tight. Got to stay under the 9. Dude, they just fucking ripped it 11 points in a half a second. Trying, man. I want to turn this red, green so I just don't even have to look at the red. Oh, let's see what we got on some of these other just looking at other time frames. That's fucking dirty. That's so dirty that they just did that. This just looks freaking awful. Let's see. Can I flip this green? Come on, just flip me green. Oh, $4. Oh, I'm just trying to not look at it. What up, Lee? What up? What up? 232? I believe it. There we go. Now I don't have to look at it being all red. I'm taking $200 because I'm taking profits. Let's be real. Also, the fact we bounced right here, and we're right getting in that zone. Dude, you can't trade like that. I know it's fun, but, you know, if you want to be profitable over a long period of time, you know, you got to just no revenge trading, no, you know, try not to DCA. Listen, if you got in the trade, now if you get into the trade and you plan on DCAing because you go in half size, that's different. But if you go in and you're like, oh, it's going against me, let me just add, just can't stop. Yeah. It's hard, man. Yeah, like tank almost 5K in one sitting. I lost the taste in my mouth that morning. Yeah. By the way, I just read that tick and it did what I thought. Bear and bull. It will bear down more, it seems. Yeah. It doesn't look good at all. This looks like we're heading to the downside. Yeah, go a tenth of the size. Yeah, start buying one micro and just, you know. I would think a break of this level is going to probably see 20-something points down. Here we go. You gotta have stops. I know it sounds, you know, oh, I just let it go. Like I read online today, some trader, he's like, oh, I trade with no stops. I was like, dude, you're one loss away from blowing up. You know, like one loss and your account's gone. There's a lot of wild people out. DCA with 5 micros take $30 profits. And yeah. Listen, just keep it tight. Go small. You know, like if you're playing with one micro, you can let it move around a lot. I think one micro is what? $20 every 10 points. You know, you can let that really move. Can let that micro breathe. Are they going to bounce it? Watch 204 get hit. Sweep this low, come down off of 204 and then back up. Hey, Cove, what a tier Eva. How long does it take to get your translate? You should probably have it by now. Is that the first one you ever bought, Trader? Like, have you bought one prior? Or is it like a brand new account, brand new everything? Damn, Zadia, that's a roller coaster ride. What up, last four? Yo, we're doing all right. We're holding. We're holding. $51. Yeah. Oh, that's your first one? I do not know how long it takes to set up the first one. I don't know. It might take a day. You know, because when you do the first one, they got to create all the credentials and everything for you. It's like when they create a pro account. So like when they create the pro account, if you sign it like at 6 o'clock, say 7 o'clock, you get it like the next day. So you might get it tonight. You might get it at like 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. Like you might get it later on in the day. You know, yeah, I would just say that it might be a little time. I want them to sweep the lows, Chad. Sweep the leg, Johnny. Come on. Just dump it. Just unload, baby. You're going to bounce it back to the 9 and then over. Shay, it says Cove IH. I don't. Oh, you just deleted it. That's why. Okay. I'm looking on Streamlabs, so I actually see it, but I didn't know you deleted it. Yeah, so Bull Knox is quick, probably because there's not many people on it. You know. My dad's asking for my chili recipe. Yeah, a sweep to 200 would be freaking textbook. Sweep to 200 and then come back up through. Enjoy your day, Shay. So funny. My dad's in Mexico and he's asking me how to make chili. And he's like, oh, they don't have ground chicken here. Where's Ivan? He's hanging out somewhere. He's around. He's hanging around. like the guy in Rounders always says, hanging around. I grabbed ones early. I'm seeing if it bounces right here at the bottom. Out. See what happens. I mean, I'm going to keep my stops tight here. I'm not holy shit bags. Dude, that just fucking dumped it. Come all the way down. Just bring it down at this point. Bring it down, baby. Bring it down. Come on. Come on. See, now I'll go back. Pivot point's 203. I want to wait until it flips a fair value gap. I do not like that this one is so high, though. I don't think the selling's done. I know it's. I don't think it's done. I have this weird feeling. I mean, you could try to catch a bounce here, but I think a lot of people are piling in here, and I wonder if they bounce it back up to here or they just sell it through. See, there's no bounce. That's freaking iffy to me. I don't know. It's holding the pivot point. It's holding. It just seems like it doesn't have any juice. It might pop. This is half size. I'll add if we go lower. If we go lower, I'll add. I asked what the fuck? Yo, is my shit delayed? By the way, that was an awesome fucking trade for anybody that just saw that. I knew it wasn't done. So, what caused that? What caused that is a bunch of stop losses. You basically had people just pile in probably right here, and then they had stop losses, and they all just ran the stop losses on low volume. I mean, that was awesome. That was good. I actually that was good. I traded that around. That was good. Down to 19,000. I don't know. I think they ran stop losses code. You know, a lot of people bought in for the bounce, and then they probably put their stop losses somewhere around here, and they all got ran real quick. If anything, I would probably see a green candle to come back up and just backfill and come back down. But typically after something like that where you just run stops, they usually backfill it. Not saying it's going to go up. I'm just saying like this, like they backfill it and then the market continues on. Yeah, if anything, I would say long is probably the better of the two. That was it. But I'm going to end it on that. That was awesome. I'm going to go eat something. I'm going to be back at 2 p.m. I'll be back at 2 p.m. If you want to support the stream, everything's below. Don't trade at lunch. Your portfolio could take a punch. Just remember that, boys. Other than that, I will see you in 2 hours. Peace.